So here's Editor's Pick by Raquel Welch in the colour Shaded Biscuit. A lot of light blonde colours, really beautiful. And at the moment she's got the left-sided part, and I just put a little bit of styling cream just at the top here because there's a couple of flyaways with a little bit of static, but that's worked a real treat, which is fantastic. And now for your benefit, I'm going to try and give her a midline part and we'll see how we go with that. So because the hair has been moulded in a certain way while the wig's been in the box for delivery, when I've done that part, it has bumped up here a little bit. But if you put your hand on it and get a little bit of heat in there, I'm pretty sure that that's going to settle down. So if you want to wear Editor's Pick in a middle part, go for it. Now let's go for a right-sided part. So again, because I've changed the part over to the other side, the fibres are used to being in a different position. So with some heat from your hand, maybe a little low heat, very low heat on your hairdryer, or just the heat of your hands will train those fibres to sit down a lot better. And you can also pump the volume up on the other side, which will help even that out. But because this has the monofilament top, you can part it in any direction through here that you would like, but just understand that because the wig's been sent to you in a certain style, you will have to retrain those fibres a little bit to get them to sit more naturally and in the place that you want them to go. But definitely worth persisting, because we don't all like a left-handed part. Some of us like a middle part and some of us like a right-sided part. So don't be put off. So here I've just styled her in a little bit of a half updo, just with a pressure clip at the back. And because Editor's Pick has a monofilament top, when I put this hair back, it really looks like the illusion of my own scalp in through there, which is just fantastic. And always make sure that when you're styling these wigs that you're checking around the structure to make sure that there's no wefts exposed. And a really great handy way to do that is to have a mirror, look into your own mirror and pop a mirror at the back so that you can check all the areas to make sure that there's nothing being exposed that you don't want exposed.